Hey, thanks for tuning in for a special episode of your review channel. I do appreciate it. Before we get into this episode, I'd like you to, if you could, please like, share, and subscribe. Especially share. This is a real important one. This video is really specific about hand washing 101. Basic way to wash your hands and how to do it the correct way, especially with this coronavirus going around, so it's really important. Hot or cold water, it does not matter what you use. It's really about how you wash your hands that makes a difference. It really does. So it doesn't matter hot or cold water, it doesn't matter. So what you want to do is basically just want to roll up your sleeves, okay? Especially when you get home and you're out. So really what you want to do first thing when you get back, a little bit of soap. I start with a little bit of soap, then I start wetting the hands. That really gets the soap really working really well. That's how I find it. This is the way I do it. As long as you get a good lather, it doesn't really matter. Water, no water first, soap, water, doesn't really matter. It's really about getting it the good lather and getting it scrubbed. I do my thumbs, very important. People always forget about the thumbs and the fingernails, like the most important thing. That's where the transmission, you put your fingers in your mouth, right? So scrub it really good, palm to palm, you know what I mean? Get the fingernails. Then I go the extra step myself. So what I really do is I really start washing each individual finger. So that's really important. So, you know, one finger at a time, get a good lather. So you can see it's really important to get every finger. That way you don't miss anything. You know, really give yourself a thorough washing like you're going in for surgery. And basically, this is how it is. And then you just give a good rinse. So as long as you give a good vigorous wash, shouldn't be a problem whatsoever. So it's really important that you share this video. This is good information. Everybody should know it. And then you just give your hands a little rinse, a clean towel that's been bleached and clean. You know it's clean. Shut off the towel with that. Shut off the faucet with that, and then dry your hands. And that's it. That's pretty much how you do it. So any questions or any comments, please leave below. Please share this video as many people as you possibly can. It is really truly important at this time in our lives. So please be safe. Please subscribe, and you be well. And thanks for watching your review channel.